Grand risings, family and friends. Creation Family Farms here. Walking along the exterior of the farm and our brand new fence. Redwood. Thanks, Milos. Details of the fence company and link below. We're opening it right now and it goes all the way down the whole entire front of the farm. So if you're ever looking for us, this is the front of our gate. It will be painted soon in a very unique setting of a farm setting, looking like you're looking deep down into the... Here we are. Welcome, everybody. There's Honey Bear, the farm dog. He comes from Alchemy Orchards, Mather Farm. Hey, Honey Bear. First thing you're greeted with right here on the right-hand side is ashwagandha. This lovely adaptogenic herb is thousands of years old. And it comes out of either Africa or India. Several fine things growing on here, as you can see. Avocado tree there got hit by the severe heat. We have pomegranates, we have grapefruit, and we have pecans. Yeah. And rows of cover crops are growing. Food is just growing on, more food growing on. Pineapple guava right here, more cover crops, sacred plants everywhere, and again, life. Our underground root mass is insane. We have some of the amazing soils here in the San Fernando Valley, top 10 in the whole nation 3 times. We love what we do here. Here's our wood chip pile we get from a company that brings us clean wood chips. Dolly the cat. And this will soon be a citrus grove with a little swing where this is, and we're going to relocate our pile to the opposite side of the farm over there. Here's where we have breakfasts, lunches, and dinners. This is Saturday. For all of you that didn't remember to wake up and have faith, well, have faith. We do. Lots of it for you. Walking through the beautiful orchard of growth and life, followed by Honey Bear. This is our Herbal pile under another giant pecan tree planted by Mr. Burroughs himself. We use minerals around here. We've done something called geomancy, that's sacred gridding of the property where you bury crystals at a certain depth. Here is our mango tree we're going to be planting pretty soon. Our cherimoya tree, we've been doing lots of planting in this in particular area. This is where we do a little bit of composting currently. And good morning. And good morning means good morning to bees. Bees are look at this. They are loaded up over here. Go back way. I just got one off my face. But here they are. Ooh, they are activated. Sorry, I had to move so quickly there. I was in their direct flight path. Let me see if I can do that again for you guys so you guys get a better view. Oh yeah, bees. We have 60,000 of them. This is our planting area. Everything's growing on here. Lots going on. I think I have a bee on my forehead, but I'm just going to let them stay there. That's all what's happening here. Here is where we do our washing. A very important thing on this farm. We wash in a clean water, like Dr. Warner's, and then we rinse in a vinegar solution. All this is important for what we do. We don't grow outside too often, but these new outdoor growth experiments are going above and beyond our comprehension. As you can see, the basil growth is absolutely phenomenal. Just loving it life here. I mean, as usual, we've told you we grow with crystals. This is quartz crystal in a basil bed. There's a piece of amethyst, another piece of quartz, and we have tourmaline. These are all activating this bed. In the center is a crystal pyramid. Check out the geometries. These geometries here are the same you could see on the actual pyramid themselves. Many people are unaware of the 8-sided points of the actual big pyramid in Egypt. This is just a little rendition version of it. Under here, we have another surprise over here. What's going on? Look at all that, those beautiful peas. We have buckwheat, we have lettuces, and this is a, do you believe, a KBC, a kale, broccoli, and cabbage mixture. I threw some mustard in with that. This is an EMF-proof world because of how it's made, what it's made of. Certain people are unaware of that. When they made these things, they made them out of aluminum. Aluminum is one of the things that blocks electromagnetic frequencies. We're currently building a massage room here and lining this also with EMF-proof things. More of our giant pecan trees. Thanks, Mr. Burrows. And over here, many, many plantains and succulents and all sorts of things. Here's an angel's trumpet, psychedelic. These things are the pride of Barbados. It's a very unique tree, so beautiful. And again, many, many hundreds of little avocado plants are growing on. This is going to be a flower bed that's going to be extraordinary. This is going to be a tropical bed garden. It is beautiful. Along the whole edge of the property, we will be lining it with bamboo. There's a hole that's dug over there already. And we're going to be planting a bamboo there that's going to line this fence as well. We're going to ask these neighbors if we could open their backyard into growing our elderberry. We grow elderberry here, we grow ashwagandha, we grow all sorts of adaptogenic superfood herbs. We are an anti-cancer farm. This is where we're going to grow our hemp. This next year we do our laundry, we wash it and we hang it out to dry. Giant growth of something pretty. It is a bougainvillea. Yes, it's great, it's gorgeous, it greets us. Over there we have a mulberry. We have experimental trees we're working with, cleaning up as we go along into the grow room. There's another mulberry tree. The grow room is growing on right now. Here it is. It's raw right now. Raw, but there's plenty of things growing for tomorrow. It's raw because we constantly are cleaning these floors with vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, other things that are natural and holistic, and reorganizing and constantly reanimating our world in here. This is our altar. These walls are made out of ground crystals, like this. Taking it down and ground it into a certain aggregate so it becomes this, and we apply it in layers to our walls. These walls are then burnished. That's what gives that shine. And here is copper we add to it. This is called Venetian plaster in other worlds. That pyramid is made out of tourmaline, ground tourmaline, also shiny, also a plaster. It is so fun to work with and so pretty. Judith, who watches over our grow room. Thank you, Judith. Who we are, we're Creation Family Farms. We're a raw living superfoods farm. We're a primal farm. We're an electric farm. We're an anti-cancer farm. Here's all our goodies. Here's some of the oils we use when we make our salt scrubs. There's a little thing of shampoos we make. We make everything for the human. We are designed to love. There's a massage table. The old window from the Schneider residence. How blessed. Well, folks, this has been exciting. Here's another area. The front of this will soon be re-plastered as well. Another sign. Boxes for the farmers market. The driveway in through the way that we started it. And I just like to say much love to everybody. Thanks for coming by. This has been a long video. Thanks for letting me talk about everything, and thanks for listening. And there's our mimosa tree. That is what they make dimethyltryptamine out of. God bless. Tim Huffman, Creation Family Farms. Imagine, love, grow.